Hello to all Stockler buyers. I am delighted to see you once again in the warehouse here in Germany, in Nettetal, right next to the border with the Netherlands, not very far from Maastricht, not very far from Lille for the French. Here we are at a new lot presented by the seller, the new seller also on the platform. Right now you've seen operation special on the seller Grover. Grover is a specialist, one of the leaders in the rental of high-tech products in Europe or in Germany, in the Netherlands, throughout the Benelux, and also in Spain. And so here it is. He is pleased to offer us a new lot on the platform. Here we have a lot of camera lenses, so only lenses you will find on the platform, other lots, including a lot of cameras, cameras. And here we are dealing with a lot of lenses only, with well-known brands for professionals, at least in the sector, Sony, Canon. Right here we have released some products, Sigma as well, Fujifilm, the whole range. The entire palette is just behind me. It is here with plenty of products. So you see some Sony here, some Sigma. We have a big full palette, and then just next to it, we've taken out some products to show you a little bit of what they might look like. So here we are looking at products, note this, of non-functional quality. Non-functional, look carefully in the details of the Excel file. It can be specified, is it non-functional aesthetic? Are there impacts? Are there more or less pronounced imperfections? It could also be imperfections, or at least technical problems. Is the product completely broken? Does it not turn on, for example? It will be written if the product has a functionality problem. Here we're dealing with rental return products, usually about 2.5 years old, that have been reported, returned by the customer and declared non-functional at the time of return. So here, for example, if I show you this Canon product, almost all their boxes, you saw it in the what's it called? In the palette. So almost all still the original boxes. So it's not 100%, but the majority, the original boxes, which could obviously have been opened and then closed again. Here retaped, you see it. And so there you go, typically a product you can find in the lot. So a Canon, I'm sorry, I'm not a specialist in lenses, but here you have the exact reference. So EF 70 to 200 millimeters. Here for those who want the reference, anyway, of course, you have it in the Excel file as usual. And here you see the product. I'll be careful when opening it. I'm showing you the lens anyway, because it's the main thing to show you. You see that here, I'm toning. I don't know if you'll be able to see it well on camera, but in any case, it seems to work. It doesn't seem broken. It doesn't have scratches if I get closer. Obviously, we are dealing with a non-functional batch, so it's possible that some products, well, exactly, otherwise they wouldn't be in this batch, but some products might be aesthetically damaged. In any case, that's not the case with this product. And you see that there, if I turn it, here you will have the different modes. And in any case, I can tell you, I don't want to speculate on the product's functionality, but I can say that aesthetically, it appears to be honestly in very good condition. There you go for that. Here we just have the cover. I know, there you go. I put it back on the Canon cover. Here, if we move to another Sony product, right here, similarly, we have a lens. You have the reference here, so 12 to 24 millimeters. Hop. Here, if I open it, then yeah, I just feel like there's not any. Yes, it's because it wasn't closed properly. Yes, there is indeed some resistance to open it right here. And here, if I show you, there you go, same, the lens. Well, listen, it seems, I don't know if you can see the camera, but in any case, from what I can see, it doesn't seem damaged. I repeat myself, but we really took products. We took out some products at random. Obviously, we can't show you all the products, but on these first products, these first two products, at least they seem aesthetically in rather good condition. Here we are on a, well, I can tell you that it weighs, it does weigh a bit. We are really dealing with almost professional equipment. It is really quite bulky. It's this product here with obviously its protective cover, its cover, which is a hard case right here. And you see 150, 600 millimeters, f5, 6.3 DG. There's the full reference. And here clearly, we're really dealing with a giant anyway of a lens. And here, if I open it up, there you see it. I hope you can see well on the camera, really get a sense, but there it's the same. So how can I turn it? Just here, apparently. I don't know if it really changes anything, to be honest. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not a pro at all. There. So now I can really hop. I think, in my opinion, obviously it's for the zoom. You can see well. And if I show you the lens, it's the same. Honestly, it's really in good condition. There, obviously, it is a non-functional lot. So I do not guarantee that all these products are in the same condition as the ones I am showing you. They remain products that have been classified as non-functional, so I will close it back up. So there might be aesthetic issues, and if I speed up a little so it's not too long for you right here, we have a final example, a Canon RF 35 millimeter here, so much smaller than the Sigma, which is just next to it if we compare. And if I open it, oh yes, it's really a much smaller lens. There, you see, so I don't know if you, likewise, I don't see any impact on it. On the other hand, I turn it, so honestly, either I'm not skilled and I'm doing it wrong, or indeed maybe it turns poorly and that's why it's not focusing well. It's possible. I don't want to get ahead of myself too much, but maybe that's the problem with this product. That's it for this batch of non-functional lenses. Look closely at the detail as usual. The detail, I showed you some of the products. Obviously, you don't have the whole picture, but it gives you a little opinion in any case on the quality of the products. Feel free especially to call us as usual if you have any questions. Write to us via chat or else on the StockClear platform, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.